When it comes to streaming, users increasingly demand devices that balance performance, certification, and ease of use. The Tanix KICKPI KP2 steps confidently into this arena as a Google-certified Android TV stick, powered by the capable Amlogic S905Y4 chip. Compact in design yet powerful in execution, the KP2 promises not just smooth streaming, but also an immersive multimedia and game. The KICKPI KP2 maintains a sleek and minimalistic stick form factor designed for convenience. Its portability makes it ideal for both home entertainment setups and travel. Simply plug it into an HDMI port, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to transform any display into a smart 4K entertainment hub. At the heart of the KP2 lies the Amlogic S905Y4 processor, a chip optimized for smooth decoding of 4K HDR content. Paired with Android TV 12, the stick offers a responsive and user-friendly interface. Navigation feels fluid, whether you're switching between apps, browsing the Play Store, or commanding Google Assistant. The certification from Google is a major plus, ensuring access to official updates, premium apps like Netflix in true 4K, and full integration of Google services. Tanix KICKPI KP2 is a powerful, cost-effective streaming stick that excels in delivering pristine 4K HDR visuals, rich Dolby Atmos audio, and a user-friendly smart TV experience powered by Android TV 12. Its Google certification ensures compatibility and access to all major streaming platforms, while its gaming and smart home features add versatility. It is an excellent upgrade for anyone looking to future-proof their home entertainment with a compact, feature-rich device.